Привет, привет! Hello, my dear friends! My name is Irina Movsisyan, and welcome to my Russian classes. Today we're going to be learning Russian pronouns. I divided for you the pronouns into two categories, singular pronouns and plural pronouns. Singular pronouns in the Russian language are such words like I, you, he, she, it. So each of them is one person, one item. The second column is we, you guys, and they. Today, I'm going to teach you how to read the pronouns, and you will write them down in your copybook with the transcription and translation. So let's get started. First of all, I want you to introduce the first pronoun, which is I, ya. Ya, ya, ya. When you want to introduce yourself, you don't say I am. We don't have the verb to be in the Russian language. We just say I, Irina. Я, Irina. Я, Irina. I wrote it for you right here. Basically, I introduced myself in Russian. Я, Irina. And I put the accent for you because you don't know yet how the words are stressed. So I'm going to be helping you out. Don't worry, you're in good Russian hands. All right, so the first pronoun, ya, ya. Repeat after me. Ya, ya. Next one is a bit complicated. Ты. So at our previous class, we learned this sound. Put your jaw front. This is you when you refer to your friend. Ты, not tea. No. It's not tea, not green tea, not black tea. It's ты. Ты. Good job. I love your accent. Ты. Very good. Next one is on, which means he. Please write down the translation. I didn't have space, but you have it in your copybook. On. That's a he. Она. That's a she. I want to point out that when O in the Russian language is not stressed, that means the accent is not here. Instead of O, you say A. So here you see она. A is stressed. Она means she. Okay? The next one is it or a neutral form. In the English language, we don't have genders, he or she or it. Basically, in the English language, people have genders, but items and animals don't. In the Russian language, every single item or a person has a gender. So, for example, a table is a he, or a lamp is a she, a board is a she, a girl is a she, a pen is a she. So we have to memorize the gender of each item. Don't worry, it's not going to be too complicated. I will help you. I will show you different tricks how to recognize the gender. But today, just remember, we have a masculine, on, we have feminine version, она, and this is the neutral, оно. Again, if you look at the first O, it is not stressed, so you say a. Оно. Very good. Let's read the first column. Я, ты, он, она, оно. Let's do one more time. Я, ты, он, она, оно. Okay, now let's look at the second half. Those are plural pronouns. we, as you and I, will be m, m. Well done. Then you guys will be v. You can also use this form if you're referring to a professor, elderly person, when you want to use this as the polite form to a singular person. You can use this form, okay? Like Вы Ivan Petrovich, okay? So you basically can use it as вы plural form for you kids, or second version, you Mr. Johnson, the polite form, okay? Вы, okay, again, put it front, вы, very well. And the last one is they, again, you see here, E is stressed, so we pronounce the first letter as A. Они. Они means they. Они. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay? Let's read it again in Russian. Я, ты, он, она, оно, мы, вы, они. Please write this down. Now, we're going to be introducing ourselves. Я, Ирина. Ты, Саша. Ты, John. Ты, Маргарита. Ты, Екатерина. Ты, Владимир. Okay, do you know Russian names? Probably, at least president's name. Vladimir Putin, maybe you know the Russian names. Okay, Mikhail. For example, you can say he is John. You just say on John. Она Катя. Она Мария. Она Ирина. Мы Катя и Ирина. So E, just one letter, that's and. Она и Ирина. Катя и Ирина. Мы Анна и Ирина. Вы Ирина и John. You can ask a question. Вы Ирина и John. Okay? And then you want to say they are Irina and Anna. Они, Ирина и Anna. Okay, so that's very easy. You basically just use the pronoun and then you use names. And if you want to say and, just say one letter. Super easy. Я Ирина, она Наташа, он Константин, они Наташа и Мария, мы Ирина и Anna, and so on. Okay, guys, today we learned Russian pronouns, how to remember the Russian pronouns faster. Close your eyes and try to go pum 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 from the top to the bottom. Я, ты, он, она, оно, мы, вы, они. Do it 3 times. Я, ты, он, она, оно, мы, вы, они. Я, ты, он, она, оно, мы, вы, они. And then do it from the bottom to the top. Они, вы, мы, оно, она, он, ты, я. So when you do it, back and forth, you can remember faster. Number 2, you take a piece of paper and you write down the words because that's Cyrillic. So you can actually practice writing. You can write in Cyrillic. You know, try to do it. Again, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to write down 8 words. If you wrote it down and you counted 7, then you missed one. So you have to review this again and write down again until you learn how to write in the Russian language. It's very easy to practice with the Russian pronouns. Then you have my video. Practice to say it. Try to copy my accent. Я, ты, он, она, оно, мы, вы, они. So repeat after me. And the last one, if you want to speak Russian, come to my Russian classes. I give Russian classes online, private, on Skype, Zoom, WhatsApp. Go to my website, instalanguage.online, and find my classes and sign up for the course. I will be waiting for you. Today we learned Russian pronouns. I hope you loved it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Insta Language Online, and don't forget to like this video because I am making these videos for you. And in a month, we're going to be speaking the Russian language together. Поцелуйчики, поцелуйчики. Я Ирина. Я Ирина. Пока-пока.